Hello, I am Kodili-nye, the Soludo's achievement in Anambra State. Soludo's achievement, especially in road construction, in 2 years. That's what been discussed in the streets. Remember to like, comment, and share, and subscribe to this channel. I am Kodili-nye. We are going to discuss the Soludo's achievements in Anambra State. You hear also the gathering of the women where the chairman of Idemili South was also telling them that what Soludo did in 2 years in Anambra is mind-blowing. So we're going to be discussing that, and stay tuned, and we'll discuss that. This is Ifite Road, okay, in progress. So that's wonderful. Thank you for all your support in watching this channel. This is Ifite Road in Oka. Thank you, and we are going to go straight to the video where Amaka Obi was speaking about the achievements of Soludo in Anambra State. Hello, welcome back. It seems that Soludo has finally found a way of winning his the hearts and minds of Anambra, especially on this road construction journey he is embarking in the state. That has actually endowed him to many people in the state. I don't know about you, but do you think Soludo is succeeding in actually winning the hearts and minds in the street of Anambra State with the massive road constructions? Although it's not only roads he's constructing, but because Anambra has a lot of problems, road crisis, and people have been asking for these roads to be done over the years, and nobody was listening to them. And Soludo seems to be doing what the people want at the moment, and he has been winning the hearts and minds of the people in Anambra State. I don't know what's your view on that. I don't know if you think he's been winning the hearts and mind in Anambra State. If so, go to the comment section. Let's chat about that. Do you think his road is doing the magic for him? The massive roads he's doing? If so, you can go there and comment. We'll come back and listen to the Idemili South local government chairperson, as he said about Soludo. The battle is very hot in the street when you consider that Soludo has to win the street fight, and that's what he's trying to do, because there's no gainsaying being on a high horse. Leadership is about fulfilling the desires of the poor in the society, trying to do things that will actually make them to, to reckon to you as a leader of this thing. And LSOT in Abia State has teach politicians in Nigeria what they need to be doing to be a listening and compassionate leader who try to do what the people want, not their own selfish ambitions. And you know, but it remains to be seen. Let's go straight away to listen to the lady, the chairperson of Idemili, as she spoke. But remember to share, remember to subscribe to this channel, remember to like, and stay tuned. I am Kodili-nye. You had the lady what she's talking about the exploits of Soludo. the road and construction is doing in the state, and is advising the women and the people there to be wary of those Ojono Emoji politicians who are going to tell you they will do this, they will do that, but they are not ready to help. They are just there for their pockets. He's warning them to be wary of them, because if they don't take care, they will have themselves to be blamed if they are not careful. They should be very careful. They should be wary, because the governor is doing very great things. That important thing is not you paying the tax, heavy tax. At the end of the day, the politicians carry all the money, and there's nothing to show for the tax you've been paying for. That's what Amaka will be the Idemili South local government chairperson. She's discussing about. We have to look at what the merits and demerits of what she said by the evidence on the street in Anambra State. For sure, even the blind can testify that there are a lot of works going on in the states. Soludo is actually doing, looking to be, if he will be able to finish most of those jobs he's doing, and additional more, he will end up being the best governors in Anambra State. If only if we can complete all those projects anyway. But it looks like he can. But it's important for us to look at what somebody's doing, and so that we don't make the mistake of falling into the hands of those who have no interests of developing the homeland. I am still Kodili-nye, the son of the wonderful. Soludo will be remembered also for his work in Onitsha. Onitsha, the great city of Onitsha, was totally abandoned for 8 years. Most of the infrastructure collapsed because of poor, the bad administration, or the past administration is bad approach in a common infrastructure, especially not looking at Onitsha. And not only that, Onitsha's experienced a lot of waste management problems. So, but it looks like Soludo is, is head on, is tackling it, whether you like it or not, but it thinks he's doing something. But remain to be seen. I don't think he has actually succeeded in that waste disposable and clearing. The environment still littered with a lot of waste and the poor collection of waste. But he has succeeded in taking the mountain heaps of rubbish in the state. But what he has not actually been able to do at the moment is getting those companies to be up and running. Effective waste management is not in place at the moment in the States. But we'll wait and see if he will be able to get this thing up and running. So, but the main advantage, or what is working for him, is his road infrastructure at the moment. Although some critics say that he's using unqualified contractors for some of his road projects. But yes, there's evidence of that. He himself testified to that as well. But let's wait and see, because with time we can see if he will engage better qualified construction companies in key major projects. So thank you very much for joining us. Thank you for your support. I am Kodili-nye. Remember to subscribe, remember to share, like, and comment. Come to the comment section. Do you think the Soludo is doing wonders or in